A big back can absolutely be built with bodyweight pull-ups. The problem is that most of you never really tapped your potential with this exercise. You started getting 10, 15 reps, maybe a 3x10, then you said, you know what? It's time to add some weights. Time to go on to some ring pull-ups, some L-hole pull-ups. You switched up the variations. You jumped up a step too soon. Because let me tell you something. I have a method that I want to share with you today that's going to change your life. It's going to be so difficult, I would say for the vast majority of you watching this video, including calisthenics practitioners, that you're going to be like, damn, the bodyweight pull-up truly is an amazing exercise. So how do we gain mass with something that is quote-unquote too easy? Well, you train like a bodybuilder. All we have to do is incorporate volume, strict form, and low rest. What am I referring to? 10x10. Not only am I saying you should do 10x10, but the rest interval should be 30 seconds. I challenge anybody to do this. 10 sets of 10 bodyweight pull-up, strict form. No kipping here. Perfect form. Chin over the bar. 30-second rest intervals. Try it out. I guarantee you that most of you will not be able to finish this. It's brutal. It's a bodybuilding technique. You're getting more out of less weight. We know that this works with lifting. Tons of guys have used 10x10 on the bench press. So why would it be different for the bodyweight pull-up? What you're getting is efficiency. That's it. So you don't have to do weighted pull-ups necessarily, although I certainly promote that. I really do believe in weighted pull-ups. But if you want to add a nice accessory to your program, or if you want to use pull-ups as your main builder in a bodybuilding type of sense, 10x10, 30-second rest intervals. And I promise you that you're going to see results when you do this. Now, what if you find this too easy? Well, there's a next step. It's called chest to bar. That's right. 10x10 chest to bar pull-ups. 30-second rest. What if that's too easy? You pause. You pause at the bottom. Dead hang every single time. For a 2 count. 1 to 2 count. 10x10 with that. Try it out. What if that's too easy? Well, it shouldn't be. That'll probably kill most of you. But if it is, a double pause. Pause at the bottom, pause at the top. Slower tempo on the way down. That's all you got to do. All you have to do is be creative, man. And this is very efficient. Very, very efficient, but extremely difficult. Extremely. I can't even do it. And I've done 145 pounds dead hang strict on the way to chin up. I've done 90-pound weight chin ups for higher reps. But you make me do a 10x10 with just my body weight, back is pumped, biceps are pumped. You can't do anything after that. You can't even do a weighted pull-up after because you're so drained. That's how you use bodybuilding techniques in your favor. Get more out of less. No need to do advanced variations or weighted pull-ups. Try this, and over time, you will gain some mass. If you're too weak, for starters, begin with a 5x10, 30-second rest intervals. If that's too hard, try a 5x10 with 1 minute rest, or 3x10 with 1 minute rest. Start with the basics and increase from there. But I would say this, if you can do a true 10x10, 30-second rest intervals, perfect form, no kipping, nothing, chin over the bar or chest to bar, you're doing everything right. There's no reason why you won't get a big back from this. And in fact, if you try doing weighted pull-ups, after doing this for a long time, you're probably going to get stronger. Your work capacity is going to increase, your back's going to get bigger. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful thing. So that's my challenge for everybody. Do this. Let me know how your back feels. After watching this video, if you got a back day coming up, or a pull day, or an upper day, or a full body day, do this. Let me know how it feels. So with that said, it's a simple video. Give me your feedback. If you have other techniques of making bodyweight training more difficult, let me know, and I will talk to you all in the next segment.